Okay. There we go. You know, it's almost Thanksgiving. I gotta tell this story because this is... Had good reflexes before. When I test them, just breathe through your nose. Oh yeah. There we go. Yeah, double dinger.
Ooh.
Now you should have felt that all the way down on that second one especially.
Jeez.
Yeah. Okay, just relaxing my hand here. I didn't feel the first one, so I had to catch you on rebound. There you go. Super. Yes, sir. Keep breathing. See where I have your bottom legs up parallel with the floor?
I heard something about being 0 gravity or something on your back or something like that when you sleep this way.
Well, it's not really 0 gravity because gravity's pulling down to the earth, so
Right.
you don't have 0 gravity unless you're in space. There you go. Now you should have felt that one all the way down. That's a ring dinger for the ages there.
It was. Holy moly.
Yep, you're still kicking. You're good. Okay, relax your head in my hands here now. Let me do the work for you. Good. Same here. I got you. Move your right big toe. There you go. Good. On this adjustment, you're going to keep your teeth together. Make sure your tongue's not in between them. Just breathe through your nose. Exhale. Yep, there we go. Now you should have felt that go all the way down.
Yes, sir.
Did you? Here, slide down this way a little bit. We do work here by appointment only though, so when you go to our website, advancedhoustonchiropractor.com, fill out a new patient request form, and we will get back to you within 48 hours, either Renee or Greg. Yep. There it is. Home run. Now, I've been doing this on him since he was 17. He is now 20. This is his favorite, the Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake. There you go. Oh yeah, Crack Addict's gonna love you already.
I know.
And you hadn't been adjusted in, what, almost 2 years?
Well, I've had the
intermittent
intermittent ones, but...
on the couch at home.
Yeah. I get a special treatment.
A little reflex, he's barely alive. Okay, lay on back, there you go. Nice and easy. Okay, keep exhaling. There you go. Okay, that'll be $50. Oh my, look, you tore the pins up. That'd be $150 for you. Let me put this on your chin there. Okay, keep your teeth together. Take a deep breath in. Let all your air out. Oh yeah, home run. Everybody's better after the ring dinger. And there is the Palmer Diversified Rotary Brake, left and right, which are even, by the way. Okay, now I want you just to keep your teeth together. Breathe through your nose. Just like that. Did you feel that go all the way down?
Yeah.
Yep. That's what I thought. Ouch, man, those are heavy. You don't want them landing on your toes. Okay, let me have your head here, hon. Let it go. Just like that. Boy, Crack Addict's gonna love you. Yes, ma'am. Good job. See, I don't have any heads on my try. You know what try did, right? Nothing. There you go. Now you should have felt that go all the way down. Did you?
I don't know, mostly I just felt a little...
The pins?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I felt it move. Okay, relax this for me. I got you. That's it. Drop it in my hand. There you go.
Oh, God.
Yes, sir. That's a full body adjustment. And we hope that when you come here, there you go. Good. Did you feel that all the way down?
Yep.
Yeah, home run. That's why we call it ring dinger. I can't wait to get my new pins. All right. There we go. There, super. Good. So I'm gonna wrap this wet towel around your occiput and your mandible here. I'm gonna have you take a deep breath through your nose. Let all your out and relax. Just like that.
Wow.
Ring dinger. We got everything we went all the way down.
Yes, sir.
I know you felt that.
Very much.
Yep. Keep breathing. There you go. That's it. There. You feel that rib move right there?
Mm-hmm.
Excellent. And yes, he is still kicking. Okay, so we're going to wrap this wet towel around his occiput and his mandible. And we're going to have him take a deep breath through his nose. Let all your air out. Excellent. Should have felt that all the way down.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice. And did really good on all those. The worst part about this is the pins. Still kicking. That's good. Let me see your hands up over your head for a sec. Stretch your fingers straight out. Good. So these are even. Your legs are even. And you, when you stand up here, you should be feeling worse. Okay. There we go. Good job. You should have felt that all the way down. Okay, keep breathing. In through your nose, out through your mouth. There you go. Okay, just relax your head in my hand on this one. I got you. Perfect. Yes, sir. Good job. Just take a nice deep breath through your nose. And just exhale. Oh, yeah. Home run. That's your very first ring dinger. You took it like a champ.
Didn't feel too bad.
No. Okay, I got you. Now drop it right in my hand. Okay, good. And this does in fact break up fibrotic adhesions and scar tissues in and around the joints, the disc, and the nerves. Yeah. There we go. Nice easy breath. Excellent. It's still an intense adjustment, but that was smooth. Okay, let me get your neck here. Anybody that doesn't think this is a serious adjustment or technical expertise, just ask Joseph, who's been trying to practice on me for the last 3 weeks. Deep breath in through your nose. Keep your teeth together. Let it all the way out. Oh yeah. Do you feel that all the way down, Thomas?
Yes.
Okay, good. And he's still kicking. I'm going to wrap this wet towel around his occiput and his mandible. Take a deep breath through your nose. There you go. And just keep breathing. Yeah, keep breathing. There you go. You should have felt that all the way down. Did you? Okay, keep breathing. First one's the worst one. I get a lot better after that, don't they, Joseph?
Yes, sir.
Everybody has that kind of reaction on the first one.
It'll be
That's why I don't tell too many people about what's going on in the first one.
Trust me, I've seen it on TV.
It's a lot different person than it is on YouTube, though, huh?
it'll be his favorite in a couple
Yeah, it'll be your
times.
favorite adjustment here before long. Just to show you, he didn't have much of a patellar reflex on his orthopedic neurological exam either. But now that you've seen that, just like that right there. You should have felt that all the way down, Jim.
Oh, yeah. I felt it.
Okay, relax.
I was looking forward to it.
Okay, look at there. We got a little more reflex out of him now.
Yeah.
That's how quickly the nerve. Now you can see his reflexes are good even before, so that's good. So there, I'm going to put this around your skull and your chin. I want you to take a deep breath through your nose. Let it all relax out. Oh yeah. Should have felt that all the way down.
Wow.
Yeah, that's a wow adjustment. That's a shock and awe.
Yes,
You did really good on your very first ring dinger.
Oh, man.
Perfect. Yes, sir. Nice deep breath through your nose, trimming. Oh yeah. Did you feel that all the way down?
Oh, yeah.
And the right. So we're going to do a cervical rotary break on him there. All the way up, and then take a deep breath through your nose. Keep your teeth together and just relax. There you go. You feel that all the way down? Mm-hmm. Good. Now see there, she didn't even flinch on that like a lot of people do. Perfect. Oh yeah.